Hello children, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today I'm drawing a Ariel. So it's your beautiful Ariel is here. So we start with making two circles, okay? And keep in mind we have to draw two more circles in this one, so make it little bit bigger. It's here and make a not too much difference between them here, and we have to make a one inside and the one is downside. One is here and one is here. Okay, now we have to fill the outline outside and two circles inside we don't have to fill. Okay, now like okay, we have to fill. Okay, so now it's a little bit more. Okay, so now it's turn. We have to make a little bit smile. Okay, now it's turn to make a U-shaped mouth. So I will start from here and slightly down make a U. Try to make a and here stop. Okay, we had made this one and this is a shape, and now it's the turn of eyelashes here. 1 2 3, little bit 1 2 3. Okay, it's looking more beautiful now. So the head we have to make the first of all head, and at end of the end, and we will end with the ears, but we have to try to make first the head. We have to start from here, little bit down and make a U from we have to meet there. Okay, and now it's the other side. It's a turn of other side, and other side is different. We have to come here and here and like this. Okay, so now it's the turn to make a ears. Here's like here and here. So now we have to make the body of Ariel. So it's here we have to make a two circles. It's shell, it's seashells, like 1 and 2. Try to make it easy and equal, and we have to cut V shape here, 1 and 2, but on the different sided. Okay, so now we have to start from here. It's turn to make a body. It's line, straight line here, stop, and straight line here, and it should be equal, stop. Try to make it easy, and the important part to make a video like it's have a fun. So we have to make a little slight V from here to here like this. We have to meet 2 points. Okay, now it's amazing part to make a tail. Okay, the tail, it's turn to make a tail. First we start from here to its curve little bit, and now we will start here to curve as well. Okay, it's looking very amazing, but the tail, it's now here we have to make it's a little bit S here, S. Okay, leave it, then make it around round and meet the points. Okay, and now it's the second part here. It's like this. Okay, we have to make a curve, and now it's another here. So we had made a tail with like the whole tail. So now it's turn to make a hands. It's looking like a drop of water like this, and this. And the amazing part is that you can stop and make the single part. It's easy to make for you. And now it's make to here it turns to make a hairs, but it's really amazing. like we will start from here and we will curve and here. Okay, and the other part we have to start and here the point, this point, the upper side, and we have to start from here and meet here. Okay, we have to meet here as well, but now we have to start from here as well and make a C, and we have to meet this C and here's to the tail. So we will come around, down, 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 and meet here. Okay. So we have to imagine the hairs are going behind the tail, and like here we have to start and mid hairs. Okay, it's here, but now it's the upper part. We have to meet these 2 points like this. So now you can see that it's beautiful hairs. So the other side of the hair, we will start from here and here and going outside, side, and meet with them. Here we have to meet. Okay, this is the amazing part. You can see that we have already made this amazing Ariel, so it's ready to dive in the sea. So now we have to make a colors, and I meet with you too after colors. So it's ready. You can see it here. It's looking very beautiful. It's really ready to dive in the water, in the sea. So try to make it easy and have fun while driving. So I'm happy to share my experience with you. So enjoy, and please subscribe and comment and like. This is the love from your side to us. So be careful. Until the next video. Bye. Take care.